everyone, welcome back to Classic Rider Hub. Today we are taking a detailed look at the Hero Splendor Plus XTEC 2.0, one of the most popular commuter motorcycles that combines trusted performance with modern technology. If you are planning to buy a reliable, fuel-efficient, and stylish bike for daily use, stay with me until the end of this video. The Hero Splendor Plus XTEC 2.0 comes with a refreshed design that looks more premium than the standard Splendor. It features attractive graphics, LED daytime running lights, a modern headlamp, a digital instrument cluster, and a sleek body design that gives the bike a fresh and stylish appearance. Hero has successfully maintained the classic identity of the Splendor while adding modern touches that appeal to younger riders. Powering the bike is a 97.2 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that delivers around 8 horsepower of power and 8.05 Newton-meters of torque. The engine is paired with a smooth 4-speed gearbox that offers effortless gear shifts for city riding. Whether you are commuting to work, college, or running daily errands, this engine provides a refined and comfortable riding experience. One of the biggest highlights of the Splendor Plus XTEC 2.0 is its impressive fuel efficiency. Depending on road conditions and riding style, the bike can deliver approximately 70 to 75 kilometers per liter, making it one of the most economical motorcycles in its segment. With rising fuel prices, this excellent mileage can help riders save a significant amount of money over time. The bike is equipped with several modern features that improve convenience and safety. It comes with a fully digital speedometer displaying real-time mileage, fuel level, trip meter, and service reminders. Bluetooth connectivity allows riders to receive call and SMS alerts directly on the instrument cluster. It also includes a side stand engine cutoff feature that prevents the bike from moving if the side stand is down, adding an extra layer of safety. The suspension setup includes telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers that provide a comfortable ride on city roads and rough patches. The lightweight frame and comfortable seating position make the motorcycle easy to handle, especially in heavy traffic. Braking duties are handled by drum brakes with an integrated braking system that offers stable and confident braking performance. In terms of maintenance, the Hero Splendor Plus XTEC 2.0 continues the brand's reputation for reliability. Spare parts are affordable, servicing is inexpensive, and Hero's widespread service network ensures that maintenance is easy almost anywhere. Overall, the Hero Splendor Plus XTEC 2.0 is an excellent choice for riders looking for outstanding fuel efficiency, dependable performance, low maintenance costs, and modern features in a commuter motorcycle. It is designed for daily riders who value practicality without compromising on style and technology. So, would you choose the Hero Splendor Plus XTEC 2.0 as your next commuter bike? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Classic Rider Hub, and press the notification bell so you never miss our latest motorcycle reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.